This is a free crypto airdrop you simply do not want to miss. Portal Coin was the first free SocialFi airdrop that made people millionaires, and they're actually the launchpad partner for this project today. So watch to the end to find out how you can farm this one totally for free and make potentially upwards of $500 or maybe even $1,000 in airdrop tokens. Before we dive into how to do that, you guys might want to check out my crypto airdrop guide. This is the spreadsheet where I have every single airdrop known to man all in one spot. MattsCrypto.com. It's $1 a day for the membership right now. You'll get this full airdrop guide, and there's a bunch more airdrops on here than what you can see on this screen. All these ones and greens up here have already happened. You can see my total net profit is $15,853 for 2024 so far, and we have a bunch more airdrops to go. So check that out, MattsCrypto.com, if you want to. This is PlaySomo, which is a new Web3 game that really mimics Pokemon. You can see right here, they put out a teaser trailer that looks phenomenal. The animations look incredibly well done. And you can see that they are saying that Pokemon trading cards were the playground that many children grew up on. I definitely grew up on Pokemon. Many of you probably still play Pokemon or played it at some point. And you can see that Somo is saying they're basically the next Pokemon. Collect, evolve, trade, explore, and battle all from your mobile phone. And it's linked to the Somo token, which is the Web3 infrastructure that's going to run this game. You can see it's a social first and digital first evolution of a Pokemon type game. And like I said, all that's gonna revolve around this Somo token, which is actually what we're gonna be farming in this free airdrop. So we're gonna get this token that could have a lot of value in a game that could be really big, that obviously looks really good, and we can do that all for free with social farming. One more thing I do want to mention is that we also talked about these monoliths. This was a raffle that happened a month or two ago that I posted a video about back when that was happening. We didn't win, unfortunately, but you can use this monolith to supercharge your Somo allocation, so to get more airdrop, to actually get access to these Somo NFTs, which is going to be the basis, like the trading card, the NFTs, digital cards, all of these characters in the game. Just like you'd have Pokemon cards, you'd have these NFTs, these digital cards of these Somo characters. And you can also get in-game boosts with this monolith. So this is like the battle pass, or this early adopter pass is the monolith pass. I'm not sure if it's going to be an NFT or how you can actually physically hold it or digitally hold it, but this is something we want to be paying attention to, because if there's a chance to get in on this, I'll let you guys know about it first in my private membership, and then obviously on a video here as well. Okay, here we go. This is the PlaySomo airdrop experience. I actually haven't even signed up for this yet. I'm going to walk through it with you guys so you can see exactly how it'll look when you go to sign up. But the simple steps are to click the link down below. I should also mention that after you click the link down below, you're going to have to link your Twitter account, just like all these other airdrops so far. So if you don't have a Twitter, you'll need to make one. And then you're gonna come right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and pick your Somo, which is one of the base characters, very similar to Pokemon, where you pick your starting Pokemon. Now, normally I would pick a fire character, but I really like the look of this guy, Slimer. He's cute, so I'm gonna go with him and select him as my starting Somo. The next step will be to go ahead and tweet out a tweet saying that you're participating in this Crystal Dash farming campaign. You might notice Crystal Dash because that's the exact same farming campaign that Portal used when they launched, and they are, again, a partner, a launchpad partner for Somo, so that will look familiar if you've done that before. Okay, here is the PlaySomo Crystal Dash dashboard. It is pretty straightforward. On the right side here, we can see all of the top 50 leaders. Then we can go and see up top here our level progression. Like I said, this is a brand new account. I just started, so I have zero anything right now. I'm level 1, 0-day streak, 0 points, and my progress is 0. On the left side, we can click power tweets, and these are gonna basically be all of the posts that Somo puts as their power posts. A lot of other products have done this as well. It's basically just gonna go and take you to their Twitter feed, and you're gonna wanna interact with all of the different posts that their main account posts. So we can go ahead and like it, we can retweet it, and we can always go and say Somo to the moon. Below that, we can also click on boosts here, and you can see there's a couple different things we can do for boosts. We can earn more points by taking the following actions. We can add a picture to our PFP, so we can actually download this picture right here and then go and set it as our profile picture on Twitter. We can add certain text to our bio. If we go over here and paste that text in, you can see it's gonna do the @PlaySomo and the $SOMO tag. We'll actually go ahead and save that and keep that in there for now. And you can see also that each of these is going to give you a certain amount of points per day. So right now, 117 points per day for adding the tag and the ticker sign to your bio. You can get 78 points a day for just following SOMO. So that's a super easy one we'll go and do right now. And as I've mentioned already, you can actually go ahead and stake portals. So if you do own any portal coin, you can go ahead and stake it. And it seems like that's going to give you extra bonuses here as well. Now, luckily for me, I already stake portal coins. So we'll see what kind of benefits that actually brings for this airdrop. I think it should be substantial because this is actually putting money into the airdrop. For the sake of this video, we won't do any portal coin because you guys want to do this for free. You don't need to worry about the portal coin. But if you do have portal coin and you farm that one and you got that for free, you can go ahead and stake it and actually get some benefits here, as well as probably many other games in the future as well. Now, I just want to say the guy that I picked, that is the character that they have for the download your own PFP and put it up there. So he's so freaking cute. The first thing here is to rip packs. So it's basically like Pokemon again, where you're opening card packs. You can earn points to level up by opening packs, and you can open a single pack every 24 hours. Then they want you to tweet your results to lock in the points. You're gonna get between 100 and 500 points depending on your pack rarity. And you can get a daily streak to actually boost your pack rarity. So essentially we want to come back here every single 24 hours and open a new pack, and then go ahead and tweet about whatever we got in our pack. It's social farming and card opening every day. Now, the other ways we can actually earn points are the things we've already done, right? Power posts, which is like, retweet, reply to other posts that PlaySOMO has posted. We're gonna get 78 points for likes, 195 for retweets, and 156 replies. You only get one reply per post that they're gonna actually count the points for. This point system is really weird, but it's good that they actually lay out how much each one's worth so we can determine what we're gonna get on each time we reply and know exactly how many points we should be having. The third way here is the one we looked at before, which is the boosts, where you can basically put the PFP on your profile and get 234 per day. You can follow PlaySOMO, which is very easy to do, for 78 points per day. And then you can also change your bio for 117 points per day. And the last one, like we talked about again before, is staking portal, which you'll get your points per portal that you stake per day. If you do have portal coins staked, you can see the leaderboard right here. I actually have 140,000 XP points on portal, which is level 2. Not very high. It's probably top 1,000 or so, but I only have about 1,000 portals staked as of right now, and I've staked that since day one staking went live. We'll see how much this adds up for the SOMO airdrop, but so far, I've linked it to my account and I don't see any progression here. And even though I linked that wallet to this account, I don't see any progression here in terms of points with the staked portals. So just so you know, you may not see that right away if you are going to do that step. The last thing we can do today on the dashboard would be to open our pack for today. And you can see the streak count up here is 0 days because this is day one. The higher streak increases your chance of receiving rare cards. So you do want to come back here every day and keep that streak up so you can get a higher chance for more rare cards, which will give you more points. Let's open it up here and see what we got. What do you know? We got 100 points, the bare minimum you can get with a pack. But at least we got our pack streak started, and hopefully tomorrow it'll be more than 100 points. This is what it's going to show once you click tweet for points. You can probably change this up, but you do want to keep the SOMO ticker in there and the @PlaySOMO probably, just to make sure you do qualify for the social part of it as well. Okay, so there we go. We actually tweeted it out. We changed it a little bit, but for the sake of the video, there it is. Once you've tweeted it out, you can see a timer down here until you can open your next pack, which again is going to be 24-hour period. So it's not a daily thing, it's a 24-hour period. So you really want to maximize these by actually opening it right when your timer ends so you can keep getting the next one in 24 hours. So as of right now, that's all there is to it. There is no referral system on here as far as I know. If that does change for any reason and there is a referral system or a bonus system, I'll leave a comment down below that's pinned, or I'll leave some stuff down in the description so you guys know about it. As a reminder, if you want to get access to all the other free airdrops we have going on right now, there's about 10 of them actively. All those are on the airdrop guide, mattscrypto.com. Definitely check it out. I hope to see you guys in our private VIP group. Before you head out though, make sure you check out this other video if you haven't seen it yet, because you're going to want to watch it. Just saying.